Hello everyone. Welcome back with the poem Dad and the Cat and the Tree. In my previous videos, I have already explained this poem. In this video, we will just go through the poem once. We know the poem starts with a cat which is stuck on the tree, and there is a dad who is very much confident that he is a very good climber and he can climb the tree very easily. So the dad is fully determined to rescue the cat which is stuck on the tree. One fine morning, a cat gets stuck in the crook of the tree. Dad takes up the task of rescuing the cat. He tries 2 times in different ways to do so unsuccessfully. Dad tried twice, but he was not successful. But he was determined and he tried 3rd time also. However, as a result of his 3rd attempt, the cat does jump down, but he himself gets stuck in the crook of the tree. Overconfident dad, he was determined that he will climb the tree. So after the first 2 failure, he didn't get disheartened. He tried 3rd time also. And guess what? Now he was successful in climbing the tree. But the poor dad was stuck on the tree and cat came down. So what were his attempts? First he uses a ladder to climb up the tree, but it slips and he falls in the flower bed. So first attempt was failure as he fell in the flower bed. Not at all shaken by his misadventure, he swings himself up on a branch. It breaks. Means after the first failure, he didn't come back. He tried 2nd time. And now he swings himself up on a branch which break. Then 3rd time he just leapt from the garden wall and lands right on the cat. Means now in his 3rd attempt, the first 2 attempts were failure. In his 3rd attempt, he just jumped on the garden wall and from there he gave a leap on the cat. And finally, due to frighten or due to fear, the cat came down, but now the poor dad was stuck up on the tree. So this is the poem. So now, what do we learn from this poem? We learned many things. Few positive things, few negative things. One of the important thing which we learned is, if we try again and again, we will be successful one day. See, Dad, though he was failure, he was determined to climb the tree and he was successful in that. Though the consequence was something else, but he was successful. What else we have learned? We have learned that animals are adorable. We should always treat them nicely. Animals act like friends, love and show care to them. One should always help and protect animals. Overconfidence is bad. Always be confident in whatever you do. But overconfidence sometimes would get you in trouble. And one thing which is not mentioned here is, try and try, you will be successful. So never leave trying. Thank you all of you.